if you're thinking about buying the Jordan 1 University Blue, then this video may help you out.
Perfect.
Now we're going to talk about all of the good stuff when it comes to this Jordan 1 University Blue. We're talking about resale and of course how to cop. But before we dive into any of that, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and of course comment down below if you're going for these. Now without further ado, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Chances are you're going to take an L, just like I am most likely as well. I'm not going to talk about all the drama I have received with this sneaker. If you want to have a look at all of that, then the links will be down below. But yes, I paid resale for an early unit just a review for you guys. And I'm not the sort of guy to be paying resale either. Now in terms of how to cop, you of course are going to be going on the Nike Sneakers app on launch day, which is March the 6th. But I'm also going to say enter as many raffles as you can. I'm going to be leaving a ton of raffle links down below. So hopefully, fingers and toes crossed, it increases your chances. Now of course, buying from StockX and Go is probably your next go-to, and even eBay to be fair. But you're going to be paying around £400 to £500 before launch anyway. It's currently around £400 for my size on StockX, and on Go it's about £350. But after import taxes and delivery and all of that stuff, chances are you're going to be paying the same. Now compared to the mockers we had last year, and that was a pretty tough one to get, these only have 130,000 pairs. And apparently from my sources, the mockers had about 250,000. And we all know how hard it was to get those. So getting these, it may be even worse. But that's why I really do think the resale prices will shoot up with this sneaker. I can see these going for around 600 to 700 as we close in towards the summer. So I am going to say hold off until the summer if you're trying to make a quick flip. But if you're buying for personal, I'm going to say try and buy them as quick as possible. The resale prices, in my opinion anyway, are going to shoot up closer to those summer months. Now I really do believe this is 2021's mocker, and I know a lot of you are going to be like, no, it's not even that nice. But trust me, a lot of people felt that about the mockers, and as people saw the reviews and got them in hand, the hype just shot up. And so did the prices. The mockers weren't even that bad in terms of resale, but because they were delayed in Europe, the prices just slowly went up. And these were pushed back quite a lot as well. They originally were going to be releasing, I believe, in January, early Feb, but because they've been pushed back so much, the demand is so high. Now to summarize, with this Jordan 1 University Blue, the resale value is going to go up so much closer to summer. So if you're buying for retail, I would say hold out until then. Now if you're buying for your personal pair, try to wait about a week or so. Normally there are surprise restocks, so you might be able to grab a pair for retail, but I would not leave it longer than a month because I really do think these will shoot up as we get closer to those hotter months. But of course, take this information with a pinch of salt. I'm not a botter, I'm not a reseller, I'm just a geezer that likes sneakers. But broskis, that's enough for one video. I really do hope you grab yourself a pair of these. And I'm going to be leaving as many raffle links as I can down below. And I really do hope it helps you out. But anyways, broskis, leave it down below whether you're going for a pair for yourself or if you're trying to make a quick buck. Leave it all down below and I will be pinning the best one. Anyways, broskis, don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course, until the next video, take care.